Deep Learning Pipeline Server. Build a microservice that can execute AI analytics on video streams. It runs in a container and can be deployed anywhere, cloud, desktop, or an edge device. Let me show you how powerful and how simple it is. If you look at the documentation, you can see that the core technology is the DL Streamer. Deep Learning Streamer is a great capability. Please check my other videos for more explanations. Basically, you can take GStreamer elements that handles video processing, combine them with AI elements like detection, classification, and more, all powered by OpenVINO, and construct a full video analytic pipeline. Now imagine that you can run such a pipeline in a secure, containerized environment and operate it or communicate with it using standard protocols like REST API. Microservices are the right way to build a modern smart distributed system. Please check my video describing why. We can think of a smart city application, for example. You would like to run almost the same video analytics pipeline in each of the thousands traffic lights across the city and be able to communicate with each one of them in real time. So you can deploy DL Streamer server on each of them. Let's see an example. OpenEdge platform, Edge AI libraries. Check my other videos on DL Streamer, and here is the DL Streamer pipeline server. I'll go to the documentation. I'll leave you the link below. Make sure your platform is supported and it runs Ubuntu. Get started. You gotta have Docker installed. This is almost the only requirement. Clone the repository, go to the Docker directory and pull the Docker image. I'll run the container using Compose app. Let's see what exactly we're running. Looking at the Compose file, you can see the image we'll be using and many other parameters no one wants to deal with. You can, of course, edit them all. Docker Compose app, setting everything up for us, and we got the service up and running. The server is running on my local machine, but it can, of course, run anywhere, cloud, edge. Now, I can ask it to serve a pipeline for me. You can see that all the communication is done using standard protocols, and it's pretty straightforward to code. Well, hardly any code is really needed. Let's see. The service is up and running, and we'll ask it to run a pipeline called Palette Defect Detection. Under Pipeline Server Config, you will find many examples. Let's look at the default config.json file. You can see here the definition of the pipeline, name, source, and the full pipeline definition, video source, decode, convert, perform detection. Going back to our command, you can see the input file. It's right here under resources. It's a simple warehouse video. Feel free to use yours. The destination, the output of the pipeline, will go to a local file where all the metadata will be saved. The output video will be streamed using RTSP. And we can define all kinds of parameters. Here, for example, define which model to use. It's a model trained by Getty. See my other videos on Getty. It's a detection model. You can look at the XML file. Okay, let's run the pipeline, and the service is working. Let's look at the result, temp file, and you can see the output of the pipeline being generated, bounding boxes, the results of the detection, and the coordinates. If you'd like to see the output, just connect to the RTSP feed, and you can see the video output in real time. Pretty cool. The service is running, the results file generated, and the output video stream. DL Streamer Pipeline Server, a powerful yet simple way to deploy and execute full video analytics pipeline. Enjoy, subscribe. Thank you.